Intellibook lets you dynamically price bookings, even if those bookings are completely bespoke. That is, even if they're completely customized and don't fit the mold of a pre-packaged tour or event. Let's start by creating a new booking. Instead of booking via a public-facing registration form, this time I'm going to load the booking in via the back end. Simply navigate to the booking screen and click Create Booking. I'll choose the Custom Sports Tours product. I'm going to leave the number of attendees as 1, leave the status as the quote, and I'm going to leave the default expiry date, which is 2 weeks in my case. The next section lets me choose the booking's pricing mode. The package mode lets you set up some predetermined pricing at the product level, which is automatically adopted by new bookings against that product. This is suitable for tours or events where your bookings will be largely very similar, including several common components, but perhaps with some options around accommodation or add-ons, etc. Component pricing is perfect for a more tailor-made booking, since it allows us to automatically calculate pricing based on the services allocated to the booking, plus a margin or a markup. And fixed price is the simplest of the 3 options and allows us to simply enter an arbitrary per person price for this booking. I'm going to choose component pricing and set a markup of 25%. Now my booking is created, I just need to enter in the name of my one and only attendee and click Save. Now let's open the Inventory tab and add a few services to this booking. Upon saving, we get the option to recalculate the charges of this booking because the chargeable amount based on those services has just increased by a certain amount of dollars. I'm going to leave the option ticked and click Proceed. Now let's pop across to the Pricing tab. In Pricing, we can see a breakdown of the different pricing components for this booking. Note how the system has automatically calculated charges for each component that are based on the cost of the component plus a 25% markup. If I want to, I can edit the screen to do a couple of different things. Firstly, I can manually override the charge price of any of these components. So in the case of the NRL 9s tickets here, let's round these to an even $100. I can also add manual charge lines to this booking. When I'm done, I just need to click Save. Lastly, if the services allocated to this booking change in future, the pricing will be updated to reflect these changes. Let's add an additional service to this booking. If I go back to pricing, I can see that the pricing has automatically been updated with this new component, the Sky Tower Jump, but also note that it's retained my special charge override for the 9s and my manual charge line too. And if we pop over to the Transactions tab, we can see that Intellibook has automatically generated an invoice for us, which is ready to email to our customer.